ISO in photography is the camera image sensor or film's sensitivity to light. It's usually measured from ISO 50 or 100 to over 10,000. All other things being equal, in a camera and photographic scene, a lower ISO produces a darker image, whereas a higher ISO produces a brighter image. The trade-off is that a higher ISO introduces digital noise or film grain, which is a common issue with low-light scenes and astrophotography. This is where photography software like Topaz Photo AI comes in to help reduce noise in photo editing. On an image sensor, noise is a random variation of brightness and color. They're often called luminance and color noise. This is one of the reasons high-end full-frame cameras cost a small fortune. Their image sensors are exceptional in low-light situations and produce less noise. As a result, professional photography services are not cheap. Pay that wedding photographer. Remember, ISO doesn't control how much light reaches your camera image sensor or film. That's controlled by the aperture and shutter speed, the other two parts of the exposure triangle. Instead, ISO controls the amplification or absorption of light. And why is it called ISO? It's part of the International Organization of Standards, a universal way of calculating ISO that's better explained by mathematical geniuses. Prior to international standardization in mainstream digital photography in 1974, light or film speed was commonly measured by ASA in the US and DIN in Europe. You just learned photography ISO in 100 seconds.